Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here and I'm very happy to see you. In this video we are sort of continuing one of the sets of my videos about easy to make plant-based skincare for the whole body, and today, as you could probably have a little guess, I have some sugar and the oil, which means we're going to prepare this super simple sugar scrub. I think that sometimes you might even say that a recipe is too strong a word, but it is a recipe indeed, because the magic of sugar scrubs is that you can customize them according to your skin needs. So here you can see like a bigger jar and a smaller 4-ounce jar. I really prefer to store my scrub in the smaller jars, because sugar might get a little clumpy, and it's easier when you actually use it in the bath or shower, so the water doesn't get in there. I am just going to eyeball all the ingredients. It just depends on the size of the jar you're using, but normally I would just put some of the sugar in there and then fill it up with oil. Alright, I figured it would be easier for me to show you the consistency of the scrub in a smaller jar. So I fill it up not all the way, because otherwise it would be hard for you to mix things. And then I'm just pouring oil on top of it. So our goal is not to really soak it through. Our goal is to really make sure it becomes a little clumpy. You will definitely feel when it's the right consistency. Sort of when all the oil incorporates into the sugar, and this will happen really fast. So just approximately, I could say for a 4-ounce jar, I've used about a tablespoon of oil. So here is the close look. It looks like that, so you got the idea. And of course you could use the brown sugar, but I think white sugar is easier to work with because it doesn't become have that many clumps as the brown sugar. So now, once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and just add the essential oils. My favorite combination for right now would be basil essential oil and the bergamot. Well, I think and I believe that they really make it a very good scent, and they're very beneficial for your skin. They both will also help to uplift your mood, kind of soothe you, and bergamot is actually very good for oily skin, say if you're suffering from body acne, because I make this scrub for being used only on your body, not on your face. I believe it's a little bit too much for the face. So, and the amount will be pretty simple, just 2 drops of each. You don't really need more than that, and once you've added this, you will only need to mix it up. But today I'm going to actually, for myself, use a little other combination. I do love recently to use ginger oil in my recipes. The reason I love using ginger oil because it really stimulates the blood flow, and it has a little darker color, and it's a thick oil, but only 2 drops. It's a very potent oil. And once we've used the ginger oil, I would advise to use some citrus oil. So today I have the kumquat oil. Sometimes you have oils on hand which you just need to use, right? So to make it like you don't use one oil all the time. So I'm going to add that. It's a citrusy oil and another 2 drops of that. It's actually very good, in my opinion, to use the blends already in your scrubs or other formulas, because they have so many oils in them already, and you don't really need to go crazy with the combinations, to make sure you love the scent and all. So, and the final step obviously would just to mix it all up and close the lid, and this is it. So also I prefer to make the scrub in the smaller jars, because you could always use other essential oils, and this way you don't have to get stuck with the whole jar, 16-ounce of the same recipe. So of course I hope I mentioned it, I've used sweet almond essential oil, but you don't have to use that necessarily. You could use so this is it, you close it up. You could use olive oil or coconut oil, although it will become solid at a certain temperature, so just make sure you know that. And this is it, guys. I'm sorry it was maybe a little messy, but I'm pretty sure you got my message and all the ingredients we need to use. And in the description bar down below this video, I will definitely put some of my favorite combinations of essential oils but everybody is unique, right? So that's work in progress. You need just to find out what you need at the moment, what your skin needs, and what you really love. So guys, all the best. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very beautiful, happy, and healthy. And never forget that plant-based skincare is so simple and it's just easy to make, and it does have benefits for your skin, of course. So also don't forget to subscribe to my email list. You can find this information in the description bar down below this video. And guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. I see you later.